Let's see how to convert your Instagram stories into leads, where you can collect a particular customer's information such as their email or phone number or any other customer data that is very important for your business. Any automations from Instagram stories, you can use this particular feature right here. So if we go to the auto marketing right here, and here we have this feature, Instagram story automations. Build a stronger relationship with your followers by automatically replying to people that responded to your stories, where you can actually collect the lead information as well. So there is a tons of use cases for this one. You can actually ask people to register for your special events, or you can offer special discounts, or you can even inform them about your new product launches as well. So let's create a chatbot flow to collect a lead information and send them messages based on that. So let me go to the flow section over here, and let me actually create a new flow right here. So let me create a new flow, and let me say add chatting media Instagram story replies, and click continue. And let's imagine you're actually going to promote a new product launch. So let's send a message to the customer. Hey, first name, thanks for your interest in our new product launch. Would you like to be one of the early adopters? And if they say yes, we can simply ask them for their details. For example, let's ask for their email first. Great. Please enter your email address. So let's ask for the email address right here, and once they provide the email address, we can simply add them any sort of emojis as you see here as well. So let's ask for their email address first, and once they provide the email address, you can actually set the email actions over here, because if you're planning to send emails within our platform, then you will have to make sure the email opt-in is there. And after that, you can also ask them for their phone number as well. So let's ask for them for their phone number as well. Get user data, and let's ask, thank you for providing your email address. Now please enter your phone number to send you a special 20% discount as an early adopter. So let's ask for their phone number right here as well. So here you have to make sure you are saving in the phone field over here, and click save. So once they provide the phone number, we have to set the action once again, and make sure you set the SMS opt-in as well, so that you can actually send any sort of SMS to those customers who actually provide you email or the phone number right here. So now let's send them a message right here saying, awesome, please check your email for that special 20% off discount coupon, and also a special secret code to use at the sign up. So let's send this message, awesome, please check your email for that special 20% discount coupon, and also a special secret code is sent to your phone to use at the sign up. So since this is actually only available for early adopters, let's say we send the sign up link through the SMS and the special discount coupon through the email. Simple as that. So here we have to send the SMS for them. So here let's click on send message over here, and choose the SMS over here. Choose SMS right here, and here you can simply send them an SMS. Hey, thanks for your interest. Please use the code let's say So let's put some code right here and sign up here, and you can simply add whatever the website URL as well, or if you have a unique link for each of the customers, you can send it right here as well. So this is the secret code. So let me name this one as the secret code, and let's send them an email with the special 20% off a discount. So here, then this email right here, and like this, and let me simply so let's simply duplicate this one as well if you want, or let's add a new headline right here, and let's say IG20, and here you can add the website address as well. Sign up. So here let me add the button sign up and the website address as this one, and here you can also mention that, and here let me add one more text over here, and let me mention. So here I also added a simple note: please use the secret code sent to your phone number when you sign up. So here they have to provide both their email and phone number to get the early adapters discount and also to sign up. So because the secret code is sent through the SMS, and the email, the discount coupon is sent through the email. Simple as that. So to send SMS or email, you will have to connect your SMS and the email channels right here. So if you go to the settings over here, and in channels, you have the option to connect your SMS, email, and also the SMS. You can simply connect your Twilio number right here. This is a very simple flow right here. So let me click publish, and this is the flow name: @Chatting Media Instagram story replies. So here you have to go to auto marketing over here and choose Instagram story automations, and let's remove the existing one, and let's create an Instagram story mention saying a new product launch. And here you can, let's say if you are planning to promote this particular Instagram story mentions or this particular chatbot automation in multiple stories, you can simply choose all stories over here and reply with the flow we just created: @Chatting Media Instagram story replies. And here you can only trigger this particular automation we just created only if they say a specific keyword, or if they actually reply to your story with a specific keyword. So you can do that, because if someone actually says something else, this particular automation will not be triggered. So here user replies equal to, and let's say early adapter. So only if they reply to your Instagram story with this particular keyword early adapter, then only this particular automation will be triggered. So let me click save and make sure this is active as well. So now we can quickly test this, how this actually works. So here I am in the Chatting Media Instagram account. So here let's check their stories. So it says get access to our new product with 20% discount, DM early adapter below. So here let me DM that particular keyword right here, early adapter. So let me DM this particular keyword and see what happens. And as you see, it simply sends us a DM: hey Robert, thanks for your interest in our new product launch. Would you like to be one of the early adapters? And let me say yes, and it simply asks us for their email address. So let me provide this particular email address for testing purposes right here. So let me provide this particular email address right here and see what happens. So after that, it simply asks us for the phone number as well. So let me simply enter the phone number right here, 243-5673. all right, so we have just provided the email and phone number. Let's see what happens. Awesome. Please check your email for that special 20% off discount coupon, and also a special secret code is sent to your phone to use at the sign up. So now we can actually check both of these things right here. So here we have received this SMS. Hey Robert, thanks for your interest. Please use the secret code IGA88 and sign up here. And let's check the email, and this is the email I just received. Here is your 20% off discount, and it simply provide the discount coupon over here, and it also says please use the secret code sent to your phone number when you sign up. So this is how it works. So here if I go to the omnichannel inbox right here, you can check the customer's chat right here, including the email, phone number they provided, and you can even send a simple message as an agent as well. So that's a quick video on how you can actually convert your Instagram stories to leads. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.